Here we are within a circle. This circle right here has the current free plan, and I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial all the different actions that you might perform as they relate to the subscriptions. You see right away that since we're on a free plan, we have the ability to upgrade. So we're going to be doing that together. I'm going to go down to compare the plans. I'm going to select the paid family plan, and I'm going to start off by selecting the 6-month plan. Click Secure Checkout, and Stripe is going to process the subscription. Stripe will eventually redirect you back to our app, and it's going to activate the membership that you just created with the family plan. Once the initialization is complete, you can go back to the app, and if I scroll all the way back to the bottom, you see now we're on the paid family plan. Now remember that right now we signed up for the 6-month plan, but maybe our daycare search is going to actually take the full year, and we want to reap some of those benefits that we get by signing up for the annual plan. So I'm going to click right here where it says upgrade or downgrade, and you see right here we're back in the subscriptions page. We're going to select the family plan again, and you see in this case it doesn't say select plan, it says change frequency, because it detects that currently we're on this plan. So I'm going to sign up now for the annual plan to make sure I get that 12% savings. When I click confirm, it's going to show us exactly the difference of what we're paying. Currently we've paid $59, so about $60, and the new plan is going to be a total of $105. So when Stripe does the charge for you, it's only going to charge you the difference. I'm going to click confirm change, and it's going to reactivate our family plan, but under this annual billing now. I go back to the app, and I scroll to the bottom, and you see we're still on the same plan. Let's go into the subscription settings now. Now I'm in the circle settings page on the subscriptions tab, and if I scroll down in the historical subscriptions, you see currently we're on the annual plan, which started today, May 22nd, and it will end a year from now in May 22nd, 2027. I can click on this, and I see all of the details for the current plan, the price that was paid, the billing period, and the next billing date. It also set up a payment method for the card that's currently on file that's being used to pay for this plan. I can also change the default payment plan if I happen to have multiple cards, or I can click Add New and add a separate card. But for now, we're going to keep it the same, and we're going to leave it there. You see also we have historical records of all of the payments that have been made, and all of the invoices that have been made as well. Let's go back up to the subscription. So say we change our mind and we actually want to cancel the subscription. We want to make sure we don't get charged a year from now. So I end up in this cancellation page. It shows us what we would lose if we happen to go through with the cancellation. And if I scroll down, I have this cancel now button. I'm going to cancel the subscription. And you see now that it shows us that we're still on the family plan. The reason for this is that we paid for the annual plan. So by paying for the annual plan, we actually retain all of the family benefits until May 22nd, 2027. So because it's canceled on the renewal date, it will not charge us again. You can undo the cancellation if a year from now you want to continue it. All you have to do is click that and click reactivate. And now you're back to your family plan. But let's say we want to go through with a cancellation. We go back to the cancel page, find the cancel button, cancel the subscription, and you see the subscription is awaiting cancellation. In very specific circumstances, which you'll see in the next 2 videos, we will want to delete the circle. But we can't delete a circle or delete a Spark account until we've terminated all the subscriptions and lost all benefits. And you can continue benefiting from all the paid features that you have. But if you do want to delete your account, you will have to terminate the subscription immediately, and it will transfer you back to the founder plan. Let's see what that looks like. So you see, I'm going to click this button that says terminate subscription now. And it gives us a very clear disclaimer that we recommend that you always read. It says that your family plan is already canceled and your benefits will continue until the 22nd of 2027. You don't need to do this unless you're closing your account. But if we are closing the account, all I have to do is type I understand. As soon as I do that, it's going to ask us if we're 100% sure, because this action cannot be undone. And afterwards, you see it's going to deactivate and terminate our subscription. And once we're back here, you see that we're on the free plan again. If you have any questions whatsoever related to subscriptions, feel free to reach out to us directly and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching.